Hi, this is Bang from FPV Thai. I'll teach you how to use your Radio Master T8, your goggles, your proteke35, and let's start. So first of all, your radio. The Radio Master T8 has 8 channels. So basically here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now how to turn it on is long press and it's on. Fail safe not set, it's okay, just return out this one. You have your arm here, mode, angle, horizon, acro. So angle first, horizon, and then acro. Your buzzer is in the middle, and then flip over crash is at the top. So this is your timer reset. So basically when you arm, your timer will start to tick, and then you can reset it by flipping this switch. Okay, there's many models you can use on this one. So if you long press this, you can select your models and press page to go through the menus and setting up the model. Okay, so that's the radio. How to shard is here on the top. So use a USB type C to charge up here. Also the simulator. Now out to the drone. So it's proteke35. Take the camera cap off here, and your USB port to set up Betaflight is here. Don't need to do it anymore, I already set it up. Take out the stickers when you fly, and then it's using a 4S 1550 milliamp 130C battery. So this battery is rated for 14.8 volts. So you shouldn't use it less than 15.2. So the full battery would be 16.4. When you charge, it's full. So when it's gone, it's 15. Okay, 15.2 to be exact. Don't go any lower, or you might damage the battery and just need to throw it away. Your goggles here is the on button. You have a scroll wheel to switch between menus. You can adjust the brightness setting and so on with this. The channel is on this side, and then there's a recording here, record button under. So this goggle takes 2 types of battery. You can put this kind, so 18506 batteries, and then or you can use USB power or the DC power. There's a memory card slot here, HDMI in. Okay, how you power the goggles is via this lead. You plug it in here, and then you plug it into a battery. Okay, let's try and turn it on. So this strap, connect. Okay, now we're gonna arm. So I don't recommend you do this at home, but stay away from the quad, and then arm here, and the props will start spinning right away. Okay, to move forward, go this one up, yaw, and roll and yaw. Okay, so before you start, you switch everything outwards. So every switch is out, throttle down to the minimum, and then you flip the arm switch and it's on. Okay, very important, inside the goggles there will be RSSI. So you will need to keep an eye on the RSSI of the remote and the drone, so don't get it lower than 60, otherwise it could drop out of the sky. Alright, plug it in. So you use your drone battery to power your goggles. Turn on. Okay. All right, so let me just 1 second. Okay. If you can see, okay, the RSSI will be on the side, left side, and then you can keep an eye on that. There's a battery is 14.15, so you shouldn't go lower than 13. So 4.15, 3.2 is the minimum that you should go to. Okay, that gives you about 3 minutes flight time. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know, and that's it.